not special.
Can't believe Legoland told you you're not very special.
Yeah.
Welcome to Legoland. It is June and we are back for another Legoland adventure. Today the Lego Festival is still ongoing, so we'll be doing a couple of extra bits related to that. George is with us, as always. Today she has used her refill cup voucher that she got with the Merlin Platinum Annual Pass. And the other thing that she's also got with her is the popcorn bucket from last time. So hopefully she's going to be using the refills after she weren't able to refill it last time. So we're going to show you everything that we get up to today and see what Legoland is like. Because we can't quite get round to Ninjago first, which is what we're going to head for, George has popcorn bag in hand. We're just heading to the dance zone because that is where you can get the popcorn refills. Hopefully we can get one now quickly and then head straight round to Ninjago. So we're here at the refills. I'm going to check back on my last video, but it says $19.95 now. Pretty sure it was 15 last time.
It was 15.
Yeah, so I think George paid 12 with the annual discount. So they've put it up. Interesting. Here we are. George is already planned through the popcorn, but now we're going to head to Ninjago. Queue's not too bad. First thing in the morning for Ninjago. Normally a little bit less, so I'm thinking today's going to be quite busy here at Legoland. Just finished up on Ninjago. It's a bit funky today.
Yeah, it was really slow.
Yeah, like, especially at the start, and then it went really fast through like the second half.
Yeah, you didn't have much time on the stuff at the end. The stuff at the start just kept replaying the same characters.
Yeah, it was a bit weird. I don't know, operations were a bit slow or something on it, but yeah, quite weird. And the accuracy on a lot of the things are quite off. Like the first one I tried was just not even registering, so I moved over and the one next to us was working. But yeah, they're off Ninjago at the moment. Might need some recalibration. Now we are over at Lazer Raiders. It said 10 minutes, but probably about 5 minutes. It tends to get a really long queue sort of throughout the day, this one, because the operations are so slow, but you catch it quite early on, and the wait's not normally too bad. There is only one winner of Lazer Raiders, and that was me, as always. George is there, and on this occasion, she was the loser. And in fact, it's not just on this occasion, it's pretty much always. Not that we're competitive or anything, but now we've finished up there. That wait was, much lower than posted, which was really good. We are now going to head over to Deep Sea Adventure, which reopened up again this year after a refurb. Quite a good ride here at Legoland. Go and see all the fish and have a little ride in the submarine. The goal today is going to be to see how much free refills Georgina can get between her cup and her popcorn bucket. See if it's worth it. This is number 2. We'll keep a tally and see how many refills of the refillable cup you can get. But the cups are £16 to buy and then you can refill every 10 minutes.
Now heading on to Deep Sea Adventure with our Deep Sea Adventure cup.
Brace yourselves, explorers. We're approaching Atlantis. Yay! Yes! Yippee!
Finished up on Deep Sea Adventure where Georgina was told that she wasn't very special.
Yeah,
isn't that right?
That is correct. Pop veg out to special people.
Yeah, exactly. Even with her very extensive pop badge collection, and she has genuinely been trying to hunt down that sea life one for probably about 6 months now. She's been trying to get one, and then today we saw that they had some, and the guy literally said no, he only gives them out to special people.
Yeah.
Apparently she's not special enough, even though she's been trying to get one, so that was a bit disappointing.
Yeah.
So now we're going to head on to Haunted House Monster Party. I've never actually been on this one before, so I think it will be hopefully interesting. I obviously tried the one at Villa Volta at Efteling, that's quite good. And then we, just a couple of weeks ago, tried out Hex over at Alton Towers, which I really like that one. But I've never actually done this one, so she's finally tall enough, so going to give it a go. Still the horror. Even without, and this is that your, that's not even your full pop badge collection.
No,
that's
not even all of them.
That's just part of it for what she's got with her today. Wouldn't even give you one. You're not special enough.
You're not special.
Can't believe Legoland told you you're not very special.
Yeah.
Being on Haunted House Monster Party, just here, we have very different opinions. I don't think it's that great. I think it's a bit basic with the theming. The storyline at the start was a bit short. The music for the ride was really off, and the spinning was quite juddery and didn't really match the beat of the music. I think Villa Volta's better, but I think Hex is probably the best.
Hex is the best. I prefer that to Villa Volta.
Yeah, different opinions there. I think she just likes the Lego theming.
Yeah, I do like the Lego theming.
Next, we're gonna head over to the show. So because it's the LEGO Festival at the moment, they've got a couple of extra bits going on. So we're going to check out the show. That was quite good last time. And after that, probably go and grab some lunch. Refill number 3 for George. Raspberry Coke this time. And here we are at the harbour for Battle of the Bands. It's nice to see them actually using the space, because it is really, really nice with the harbour stage down here. But I think this show is going to be finishing soon, and I don't really know what else they're going to be doing here. The LEGO Festival show was good. It shows that they should really have something like that all the time. I think as of tomorrow, I'm not sure it's going to be around anymore, or even if anything's actually going to be replacing it from the massive cuts Merlin are making to entertainment. Now though, we are at the Pirate Burger Kitchen. See what there is for lunch. Looks like the annual pass holder deal is still going on over there, so I'll probably end up getting that. Super busy in here today, but this is the double cheeseburger with fries. Massive queue for the sauces. As always, George has gone for gluten-free, but you can't get the kids' meal gluten-free.
No, you can't.
Which was interesting. Finished up with lunch there. Burgers are not the best quality. Definitely a little bit dry when it comes to the beef. The deal seems to be running to the 1st of July. I just double checked. Hopefully they'll continue it on. They've extended it a couple of times already, so hopefully they'll carry on. Now just come over to the Knights Kingdom. Over here they've got some rides that are down for maintenance, I think. Merlin's Challenge, that one's completely down for, assuming for maintenance. No one's on it at the moment, but it's been down the last few days. And same with Dragon's Apprentice as well. That one is also completely shut as well. It says that it's taking a break. We'll be back in soon. So down here, the only ride you've actually got working is the Dragon. Yeah, it's not great having 2 rides out of 3 in one of the areas down. Trying to plough through. We're number 3, got to get to 4.
Yeah.
Finish the popcorn as well, so ready for a refill soon. George is proving to be a lean, mean, fizzy drinking machine.
What's Mezzomix?
I have no idea what Mezzomix is.
I don't think I want to risk it.
But you get like fused tea. They have fused tea here, Schweppes, Coke options, Fanta, and Dr. Pepper stuff. Oh, she's gonna have fused tea now. There you go. That's like the dream, isn't it?
That is.
Going to be doubling down on these now. I didn't see the other machines have the fused tea. I don't know. We'll have to have a look.
Remember, I didn't see it.
We'll have a look. Oh God. Child is destroying the place. Knocked over the sign. Pick that up. How is it?
Not very good. I should have had a Coke.
Don't get fused tea out of here. And she's a big fused tea fan. We have now got Spinning Spiders up next, which is quite surprising. This is completely like empty. It's actually half empty at the moment, which is quite surprising. Normally there's more people, but they're literally going to be sending it round. Mostly empty. We'll give it a go. In the Element, this is what, number 4 for Fanta this time. See how many more?
Fanta Peach, very good.
Okay, I think you probably need to get at least 6 in to make it worthwhile.
Yeah.
Alright, 2 more after that.
5, 4, 3.
Headed over to the Master Model Builder area. George's pretty spinning top that you make, and this is more in the little ones. Spinning top. Yeah. George is going for refill number 2 of the day. Any more today, or is this going to be last one?
That's it.
Okay. That is bursting at the seams. That is like a full. This morning it was just like a little bit full. Now it's like full. Yeah, today I think it's the last day they're doing that. So they're getting rid. But I can't believe they increased the price still.
And people are still buying them now for $19.95 and half the day's gone.
Exactly. It's definitely not worth buying now by any means, unless you're going to literally just inhale it. So all is not lost. She does have some pop badge to show for the day. It's different. It's a Paralympic one by the looks of it.
Paralympic pop badge today.
Not too bad. Just finished up with Master Model Builder Alec. Alec comes in virtually and teaches you how to build a spinning top. And then we headed straight up to the 4D cinema and caught the Lego City show this time. Much better than the Lego Friends show that they do there. This one has like fire, smoke, and lots of water effects. If you don't want to get wet, sit to the side, because it's not just like a little spray, it's like full on raining in there, especially if you sit in the middle. But overall, that's a really good show. No words in it, so it's quite easy for everyone to understand that one. Refill 5 secured. I reckon one more for the day.
One more for the day.
Now we're going to go have a quick look in the Lego store.
Could be.
But George has vowed that she's not going to buy anything. I'm not sure I quite believe her.
I'm not going to buy it.
But we'll wait and see. These are some of the new exclusives here in the shop. The Krusty Burger Simpson set, the vending machine set here as well. Apparently come out on the 1st. George has all the knowledge, but she's being good today and resisting the urge to buy anything. George went one more for the road. All 3 machines.
All flat on the
Completely
exit.
flat. That is, I'm not sure if they do it on purpose, but that is not good. That is us done here at Legoland for the day. What were your thoughts on today?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It was alright. I think it's been the worst day for a while.
Yeah, it has been.
Like, the entertainment and the stuff, because they got the festival going on at the moment, is quite good. But yeah, customer service and things hasn't been great. Telling you, not very special.
Yeah, very busy in the park as well.
It was very busy.
Lunch and
Yeah, really busy.
queue time's been long all day.
Yeah, that is true. And also the machines just being completely flat as well.
Yeah,
at the
drinks
end.
haven't been particularly great for the refills.
Yeah, which I don't think's very good. When you pay like £16 initially for a cup, then having the machines not particularly working, I don't think is great or really acceptable when it is so expensive. Nevertheless, it was an alright day.
The show was good.
The show was good. Got on sunrise, particularly around this morning. But yeah, alright day, nothing particularly special. Hoping Legoland start to up their game a bit when Universal's knocking at their door. But as for quality of theme parks, Legoland is not great, especially when you compare to what you can get over in Europe. This is by far very, very subpar in comparison. Anyway, until next time, thank you for watching. If you did like it, please do subscribe because there'll be a lot more coming. Till next time, bye bye.